This is Elena Sunglory with you. Nowadays, water bottles, durable consumable goods are very popular in India, local market, US and European market. Whatever you produce, you make a good profit. If you're considering to win more growth in household industry, Sunglory is your best project partner. Work with Sunglory, you have the guarantee to succeed from first beginning. We provide A to Z turnkey project solution for vacuum bottle, non-stick cookware ceramic coating automation, 3-ply cookware auto polishing, glass lid project, and small home appliance, etc. Those household items. Most of our customers can cover their investment within 6 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months. Up to 2024, we have set up 180 production lines all over the world, including 15 non-stick cookware factories in the past 4 years. 84 of our customers are number one in their segment market, including Hamilton, Hawkins, Slowcraft, JB Cookware, Pradeep, etc. 7 service centers in China, Bangladesh, India, Turkey, Egypt, Algeria, Mexico are supporting daily production for more than 400 customers in 30 countries, with 10 India local engineers and 10 service engineers in headquarters. Sunglory provides you lifetime engineering support 16/7 for you. Sunglory Group is the #1 kitchenware and drinkware sport-to-sport solution maker in Asia. We have more than 90 staffs in Guangzhou quarter, more than 600 staffs in factory, including R&D team with more than 70 engineers, service team more than 50 engineers. Our machinery factory has 65,000 square meters in total. The first factory established in 1966. The nearest start in 2024. We dedicated in cookware automation, machine making, and technology know-how since 2026. Our factory director, Engineer Wang, has 21 years experience in water bottle machine making, setting, and bottle production. We have another 3,200 square meter area as training center, especially for customers' production team. It helps customers to catch technology on their own production line, even before shipment. Our customers can start trial production immediately once their lines reach. Factory Director Engineer Tang has more than 28 years experience in non-stick coating and powder coating machine making and technology know-how. Call us, set up your own factory, run automation, win more market.